Hey guys, xSpark here from xSpark-Technologies. Today I'm going to be bringing you how to install a RAM card on your computer. So yeah, I purchased this gateway which only came with 2 gigabytes of RAM, so yeah, it's a little bit bad. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is some screwdrivers. You could use these ones or that one. I forgot the name. Tryhead, I think it was. Anyways, and your RAM card. Keep in mind that not every RAM card fits any computer. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one, which is the one that fits my computer. So the first thing you want to do first is unscrew these screws that are holding the holders. I think, nope. My finger, you had one job. This one is way easier. I screw these 2 screws right there, and this one too. So then we harden. Alright, so once you remove these 2 screws, you can just pop open the cover right there. Just pull it back and raise it up. Then you will find this card, which in this case mine has 2 slots, which is awesome because that means that I can add the RAM card and I don't have to remove it. So yeah, in this case, this computer came with 2 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think you can see it. If you see it, that's awesome. It says it right there. And I'm gonna install 4 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think you may be able to see it. You see it, that's great again. And my hand is crumbling for some reason. Alright, so yeah, let's just place the RAM card to install it. Just push down, lock it. And let me see, you can see a better view here. Push down, and then here, lock. And that will actually lock the RAM card so it stays in place. Alright, so that's all you have to do. Now let's just make it done. Take your cap and place it back on. It's not easy. Oh, I just pinched myself. Awesome. Alright. Then screw everything back together. In this case, only the cap, because that's the only thing that we removed. And yeah, you're done. Now let's finish screwing this one. Let's make sure that worked. Oh, maybe this thing wants to screw in. Whenever you wanna. Oh, there we go. So yeah, now let's make sure this works. We're gonna test it out now. Alright, sorry for the background noise. Let me see my computer I can't focus. Alright, so let's just go to system information and let's see they work. There we go. Stop physical memory. RAM 6 gigabytes. Total physical memory 75.71 gigabytes. Useful. Awesome. So yeah, that's how to install more RAM. I hope you like it. See ya.